Hi, my name is Chloe. I'm from Canada, and I just had the most profound and incredible experience at Arkana Jungle. To start off with, the location in the retreat center is absolutely stunning. All the little details make such a big difference, and the staff is so kind and welcoming and loving, and you just feel held and taken care of the entire time you're there. And they build such a strong sense of community. I feel like I'm going to leave here with the most amazing friends and family that are going to be there with me for the rest of my life. And the experience itself completely changed my life. I came here with so much anxiety and tension in my body, and I never thought I would heal it. I thought I would have to live this way for the rest of my life. And the medicine helped me to find the source cause of the anxiety and how to transform it. And not only that, I learned so much about how to live my life from a place of love and gratitude, and more slowly and deeply. And so leaving this place, I feel like I will be completely different, and I feel like I'm starting a new life today. So thank you to Arkana. I am endlessly grateful.